Now, in other fields of work, stealing might be different, but in design or art, stealing ideas from others is going to help you a lot. Now, stealing is not basically copying, it is generating ideas from other ideas. So, you are going to combine like 10 different ideas to create a new idea. So, it is not going to be a copy of that design. So, make sure that you understand what is the difference between stealing and copying. So there is a great book which is called Steal Like an Artist. If you have time, try to read this by Austin Kleon and you will understand what I'm talking about, because no idea is original. Every idea has already been thought by some person in the past. So if you think that you are creating a very innovative design or very innovative logo, it isn't true. You are generating that from different ideas you have seen or experienced. So this is the difference between stealing and copying. Now, whenever you start your design, you are going to start your designs with at least minimum 2 to 3 design inspirations. So for example, if you are going for a landing page, you need to look for the inspiration. So if you are going to design for the landing page of some video company, you are going to look for other similar websites or websites that are in the media industry that are going to be your inspiration for your design. So the designs your clients like or the designs you like as a designer, you are going to combine those and put those into a folder called inspirations. This is a folder which is included in all my design projects. So whenever I start a design, I first select 3 or 4 inspirations from my collection and I put them into a folder called inspirations. Sometimes I ask my client that which are the websites or which are your competitors, so to get the idea what their designs are like. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second thing is I create a mood board, which if you have taken my course Workflow of Modern Web Design, you might see me creating a mood board. So let me show you what is a mood board. Okay, so here you can see this is the mood board from my course Workflow of Modern Web Design, where we created WStudio website. And you can see here I have some of the clippings from different portions. Like you can see, this is the font style. I wanted something bold and very clear and trustable, something like that. Then I copied something like this. These are the icon styles I wanted. Then this is the footer from another website, and you can see here are a few more inspirations from different colors. You can see here we have a button, purple and black, and then again a blue and this style. So this is called a mood board. So before starting your design, you can create a mood board. The website I used is NIICE, I think, nice.com. I will link it. And these are the 2 tips. Before you start your design, you are going to get these 2 things together. Another great way to get ideas is to collect and store ideas. So what I do is, let me show you my folder. So you can see over here I have a whole folder of inspirations: branding, character design, illustration, computer workspaces, creative photography, demo reels, dress designs, food, and all those things. Okay, so you can see here we have Islamic calligraphy 3D. So if I open up this image, you can see there are 3D characters, and you can see here I can get the idea of this brown and blue theme. You can see they are very contrasting colors. Also these blue glowing eyes are looking great on brown. Also you can see this is very different. This is the feel of a premium product, white and grays, and this background color looks great. So you can pick up ideas from here. Similarly, if you go to my web design folder, I have different categories: blog, corporate, design firms, e-commerce, education, and then I have a folder which is called exceptional designs. You can see over here. So I have collected all those designs. If I show you, so you can see I have collected all the designs which I think are exceptional designs. So I collect things like that. Okay, so I copy 2 or 3 from this. Like you can see over here, this is totally different theme. Okay, so I copy some of the images from here and copy it to my design folder where I am going to start the design. For example, like you can see, this is very minimal and very clean theme. So I can get the ideas from here. I have another folder called idea box. So if I open up this folder, you can see here I have different categories like headers. You can see here we have different headers, just the header ideas to get some ideas. Then I have some cards. You can see this is how different cards are for different designs. Similarly, you can see this is also a card, and similarly this one, you can see 3 cards, information in cards, looks great. And then again I have few content layout options like this. You can see how different layouts have been used. Like you can see over here, overlaying like this, and a circle inside it. And see this one, this is totally different, 2 columns, and looks very powerful, very great. So this one, so I have collected all these different ideas. You can see here I have typography, and I love to see different type combinations. You can see over here, these are clippings from my Behance, sometimes from Behance, sometimes from other websites. You can see over here. So I have collected all those different typefaces. You can see over here too, live your life, typography combinations. Here you can see another example. So this is how I try to you can say store ideas. So they are going to help you a lot in building your designs. Nobody is born creative. You get ideas from other people's ideas. Don't get ashamed of it. It is how everyone designs. I hope you have enjoyed this video and how to collect and store ideas and how to get ideas from different ideas. If you have any questions to ask me, let's move on to the next lesson.